The library is now offering free access to the Wall Street Journal online to our cardholders. To access the service from our website, avalonfreelibrary.org, you're going to head to the Borrow tab. Just hover over that, and you'll see Digital Library show up in the menu. Click on that, and that will take you to our Digital Library page. You're going to want to scroll down until you see magazines and newspapers, and click on that to expand that section. And from there, scroll down until you see Wall Street Journal. You can then click where it says click here, and that will bring you off to the page to let you in. If you already have an account, you're going to want to just use that to sign in. If you don't, you're going to give your first name, last name, and then an email and create a password so you can create an account. You have to check the privacy box here. This is saying that I already have an account, which I do, so we're not going to worry about that right now. So I would click sign in, and that's going to, I don't want that. That's going to let me go ahead and type in my account information. So, you may see this, which has you verify your email address. I don't really want to do that right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip it because I've already done it. We'll just hit continue to Wall Street Journal. We'll see this screen about processing our request. You will again have to agree to the privacy agreement. You can uncheck this box if you don't want to receive updates from them. I don't really mind getting them, that's fine. So we'll just go ahead and do that. Hit create. We'll just go ahead and hit OK, let's go. And it should have you right into the Wall Street Journal website. If you are unsure about if you're logged in or not, just check up here and make sure you see your name. Otherwise, you are good to go.